There are multiple ethical hacking tools which are available in the market to use by software developers, but most known as tools are listed below. MAP is a command line tool that was developed for the operating systems and is based on Linux Unix. This ethical tool is a type of network security mapper that is mainly used for identifying hosts and services on a network. It is also used for host discovery, security auditing, and network exploration. MAP is used for network scanning and auditing. It can search for the hosts which are connected to the network. Nikto is another famous ethical tool that is used to scan and test various web servers for detecting software that is outdated, dangerous files, or CGIs. It is a type of open-source tool that checks the web servers and identifies more than 6,400 files or CGIs which are mainly dangerous. Nikto checks the servers for outdated versions and also version-specific problems. It also helps in checking the misconfigured files and plugins. The main purpose of this tool is to scan the web servers for dangerous files. It also helps in identifying insecure files and programs. Reconning is another ethical hacking tool which is a type of framework written in Python, and this framework mainly consists of all important features which include database interaction, interactive help menus, and command completion utilities. This tool is used by ethical hackers for multiple purposes. Reconning is used to reduce the time spent harvesting information from open sources. It also consists of various range of modules and database interaction. It is also used for collecting information into one centralized source for a database. Wireshark is a type of open-source ethical tool that is mainly used for packet analysis. It is mainly equipped with a good user-friendly interface. This tool is one of the easiest tools that can be used for network monitoring, and it is popularly known for its color coding features which help the users to identify the nature of the packets. Wireshark helps to import dump packets from the capture file for further study. It also helps to save the tests as a capture file to work on future. Wireshark also helps to capture the filters and restrict the packets that the filter collects. Each packet in the Wireshark consists of color codes. Metasploit is another famous ethical hacking tool that mainly provides a remote machine on which ethical hackers can test your scripts and hacks to verify their strength. This is a type of framework which helps ethical hackers to understand the security vulnerabilities of different systems. Metasploit is an open-source user-friendly GUI setting that offers both a blind shell and a reverse shell. This tool helps to enable the creation of payloads. It also helps in deleting the infected system automatically.